your girl Miss Gabri and welcome back to my channel. I'm from Uganda, East Africa, and today we'll be trying out how to make the most beautiful, delicious, fluffy pancakes. So it's my first time trying this out, so if it doesn't go as planned, you shall keep on practicing, yeah? So for those who are new, you are most welcome to the family. You can join us. Now prepare everything that you need. Come and see what you need. Come. We need our sugar over here. This is black pepper. I just love black pepper. This, my friends, is our baking powder. We have our white vinegar. This is our bowl where we're going to mix everything. This is our butter. Well, I put the butter in here anyway, but yeah, I'm going to use Blue Band. So it has to be melted. I'm going to melt it. Yeah. These are our 2 eggs, and then our big flour over here. So I'm using Pembe multi-purpose for baking flour, but I think you can use any flour that you have. And then you need 2 cups of the flour, only 2 cups. First step, our pan is heating up. We want to make sure we melt our butter, so this is 1 tablespoon. We need 3 tablespoons of butter. So our butter is melting, guys. This is our melted butter. We need only 2 eggs, only 2. Okay guys, so I have my blender here. I'm going to put every wet ingredient. So I have my egg here. I have my melted butter. Next, I need 1 cup of milk. But before that, let me put 1 tablespoon of vinegar. When you're making buttermilk, it's 1 tablespoon of vinegar and then 1 cup of milk. So we're just going to put everything in the blender. I'll just use this anyway because yeah. This is 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Okay, I have my cup here and my milk is in this saucepan. So one cup of milk. Then I have some spices I want to put to make my pancakes nice. I'll just crush this. This is some black pepper. So I'll have few. These are enough. You know what? I'll actually let the blender crush everything. Now come see how it looks like inside. So this is how it looks like. We need to add 3 tablespoons of sugar because it's easier to crush the sugar than mix it when you're mixing everything together. It's quite hard for it to dissolve. So this is 1, 2, and 3. Then we have half a teaspoon of salt. So my salt is in here. I said half a teaspoon. So this is half a teaspoon. I just hope this ain't too much. This is half a teaspoon. And whoop, that's our salt. This is our mixture of all wet ingredients and some spices. I have blended, but I want everything to be okay. Make sure that the sugar is well crushed, plus the salt, everything, spices. So I'm going to make sure I blend this again. Yeah. Now I believe it's ready. Just switch this off. Okay. Okay, we have our flour. We need 2 cups of flour. Just going to pour this flour in here. Okay, this is 1 cup. I'm just going to put that in there. Then okay. Woo. This is the 2nd cup and boom. That's it. I'll put this aside. We need baking powder, 2 teaspoons. I have my teaspoon and my baking powder. Okay. Ooh. Guys, don't judge me. I actually used this for making my pesticides. That's why it's open. I could not buy a new one when I had more left here. So how many teaspoons of baking powder? 2 teaspoons. This is 1. And then 2. I'm done. Time for mixing. Now I have something to say, guys. I don't have a mixer, so okay, I'm going to use a mingling stick. I don't have a mixer, so if you don't have a mixer like me, you can use a mingling stick. Okay, so this is the mingling stick I'm going to use. I've left some little here. It's time to mix. I hope my pancakes will be as fluffy as the way the video was showing. Mix, mix, mix the dough gently down the street. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Mix, mix, mix your dough gently down the street. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. By the way, guys, I sing, so if you want to listen to my music, just go check out my other channel, Princess Gabriela Official. I have beautiful music. So I think now it's done. Okay. One day I made cake, guys, and it was terrible. My cake was hard. It was nice, but it was hard. But it was too nice. Yeah. Anyway, let's do this. I'm going to get this, put it there.
And quickly add one. And you spread it.
You have to smear the pan with oil, don't just pour oil into the pan. So that's how it looks like. I don't think it actually looks bad. It looks a bit fine, only that it doesn't have a good shape, I guess. But through practice, I'll get there. So, oh my god, this looks terrible. Yeah. Anyway, let's try the second one. It looks like a chapati. Guys, we have flipped this one. It's not looking very good, but at least the rounding is fair. And I hope they're delicious too. The third one looks way better, plus the shape. Yeah. Guys, this one looks way better, see? Guys, the pancakes are now turning out to be great. We began from getting the shape wrong and everything messed up, but now you can see there's already an improvement. We have another one on fire. It needs medium heat, remember? This is the little we are remaining with. This is the last one, and this one looks way beautiful. See? Ooh. Pancakes tasted so nice, guys, and I've had a very good breakfast time. So thank you so much for joining me, and I have only one thing to tell you. That is the easiest way to make your pancakes. Well, I haven't done them all today, but I'm sure I'll make them way better the next time we try out. So easy way to make pancakes for breakfast. You got it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I love you guys.